In this video, we're going to look at adding custom statistics to your dashboard. Because in the last video, we looked at how to create saved searches and reports, and we can add those directly to our dashboard. However, there's certain situations where seeing the full details is unnecessary. So in this video, we're going to cover how to take a saved search or report and display it as a statistic on the dashboard for faster consumption. So just like we did in the previous video, we're going to cover a specific example, and we're going to look at the process to create a custom statistic, but it's the same regardless of the search or report being used. So specifically in this video, we're going to find the dashboard, we're going to add the widget, and we're going to configure that widget to the same saved search that we created in the last video. So to get to our dashboard, we would hover over the Home button and we can click on Dashboard. So in the upper right hand corner of the screen, there's an Add Widgets button. We're going to click on that. And then towards the bottom here, there's a Custom Statistics widget, and we're going to click Add to Dashboard. Now in this case, we're looking at a saved search. If you're looking at a saved report, you would first select Saved Report. It's the same process regardless. So just keep that in mind. That's an easy gotcha. If you're like, where's my report? Well, maybe it was a search or vice versa. We're going to change this first drop down to be the Contact Searches, and we're going to select that one that we just created, Newsletter Subscribers. And now we can go ahead and click the green Save button. Let's actually adjust our title here. So these are total newsletter subscribers. We could say like total newsletter list, just something quick and easy to have on the dashboard. And now we can click the Save button. So this is going to display the custom statistic based on the saved search or saved report. So what's happening here is that this widget loads that saved search in the background, and then in this case it's displaying a count of the number of records found, and it's going to work like this for any saved search or report. Now by default, the custom statistics widget is going to perform a count of the records. However, there are 4 other types of statistics that we can leverage here. So we can do summation, an average, a max, or a min. So let's actually look at an example of this. So I'm going to select saved. Actually, I don't have any saved reports. It's still a saved search. I want to go ahead and do a sum of the saved order report of all orders. Previously I've created a saved search for all orders. When we're choosing one of these 4 options, we're also going to have to select the column that we are summing or maxing or minning across. So in this case it's the order total. That's what makes sense. So watch this. I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Add. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go ahead and take an average count. I'm going to tell it to ignore any empty rows, although I don't think we'll have any on this report. And we're actually going to choose the same report, all orders, and we're still going to do it across order total. So this is now the order average. I'm going to do the global order average actually, because it's an all orders report. So now when I go ahead and click Save, we can actually display more than one statistic from the same report. If I click into these, because that's what you can do with this as well, you can click in and it'll take you to the actual report of whatever that saved search is, or report. Both of these widgets are pointing, both of these statistics are pointing to the same report, but it's displaying different data. So this is also how you can save yourself some time by building one really good report and then pulling some other information from it. Lastly, we can always click up here and rename this. So if we wanted to call this like our global sales stats. You can add up to 10 stats per custom widget, custom statistics widget, and to my knowledge you can have as many custom statistics widgets as you'd like. You can always refresh it to get the latest stats here. And you can share a custom statistics widget with other users. So if you click on the little share icon here, you would be able to select other users. In this application, I'm the only user, but this would show a list of users and you could easily share it with them. After hitting apply, this widget will then display on that user's dashboard the next time they log in, and this will also change to an orange color. And that's how you know that it's being shared across different dashboards. Now, displaying a custom statistic is one of the many things that the dashboard can do. So that's why in the next video, we're going to dig a little deeper into configuring your dashboard.